Hello everyone, my name is Herbert Tumusingize, a consultant at Dynapharm. Dynapharm is an international company that deals or that manufactures food and nutritional supplements. These supplements are categorized in two groups. We have products that are called cleansing and detoxifiers. We have products that are nutritional products or nutritional supplements. We have immune boosters, we have mental, physical and sexual health products, we have natural relief, and we have personal care products. These products, according to their groups, is the way somebody could take them. We have a product that is in the group of immune booster. It is called mangosteen. Mangosteen is a mixed fruit drink. It tries to fight, or it is an antioxidant. It removes all the body toxins. It increases on the body cells. It removes the dead cells and tries to create the new cells in the body. When somebody has too much dead cells, it means that his body will be so weak, and at the end of the day, he suffers from different diseases like diabetes, like hypertension, or you can call it high blood pressure, kidney complications or kidney diseases, and liver, and so many. So this one is an antioxidant. It will try to build the body cells and tries to create some other new cells. It means that it is taken by somebody who is not sick in prevention of those diseases, and somebody who is sick in to remove the cause of the disease that he has. If a disease, if you treat the cause of the disease will not remain there. So this is why we are trying to fight as Dynapharm company that people should take these products in order to remove or in order to fight against the disease and prevent them. We have a product called Spirulina. It is in the category of nutrition, or it is a nutritional supplement. It helps somebody in repairing and building also the body cells. That's number one. Then number two, it has all the minerals and vitamins. When somebody lacks the minerals and vitamins in the body, this is where we got problems or diseases like bone-related diseases. Because once you lack calcium, your bones become so weak. Once you lack iron, it means that you will not have enough blood. So this has iron. It has magnesium, it has selenium, and so many other minerals and vitamins. So it's a very good product. We recommend it to each and every person. It is taken by all people of all years in order to prevent such kind of diseases. Those who don't have the disease will be safe against all those diseases. All these products are for you to be taken. Even if you are not sick, come and take the product in the prevention of those diseases. If you have the disease, come and take the products in that your diseases will not grow, or it will be removed away, because you are treating what could be the cause. If the cause is the accumulation of toxins, if the cause is the dead cells that you have in your body, the body is so weak, all the cells will be born again, you will be a good person that has a good health. We have different branches in Africa. Right now I'm here in Mauritius. We have got a branch there in a city, Port Louis. We call upon people or recommend these products, come and take them in prevention of those diseases. Thank you so much. Let's meet in another video. Thank you.